Sobrang nakakaiyak yung kanta. Sintamyas. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Mga 18, welcome to another video review. Thank you sa lahat na nanood for my very first video review sa Dahon by Justin. Thankful na kasaya ko kayo kahit sobrang nakakaiyak. Sobrang nakakaiyak yung kanta. Even though hindi siya masyado na make sense sa akin. Kasi yun pala, yung music and video ni Justin is by part. Yun pala dapat. Panoorin ko muna yung Surreal Kaibigan and then Dahon yung latest. Pero may nag-comment din, may isang nag-comment, sabi niya, pwede rin naman na Dahon na unahin ko. Different perspective nga lang. 2 years ago na pala to, grabe, ang tagal na. 18 na ako nito, pero hindi ako active. Pero definitely 18 na ako nito. So guys,
Nutrition experts say for productive day.
Before anything else pala guys, sorry wala akong props ngayon. Ito lang last time may mais eating challenge ko ngayon. Watch na tayo, focus na tayo sa music video ni Justin. FYI, hindi ko rin masyadong alam tong kanta na to dahil mostly na napapakinggan ko sa SB19 is yung buo sila. So yeah, this is new to me, so samahan niyo ako. Oh, English pala. English pala tong first song niya. Yung Kaibigan ba, English din? Ay hindi, Tagalog yung ano eh. So, Tagalog yung title, so most probably it's Tagalog. Wait lang, ulit natin guys. Hindi natin masyadong napakinggan yung lyrics. Nakasulat doon na kaibigan, no? Napansin niyo ba yun? Sa word kaya
I just wanna live in my imagination where each
ay no, kaibigan, question mark. Ay, siya to. Siya ba yun? Yung akala ko onion, yun pala sintamyas. Kasi hindi masyado malinaw yung mga sumunod na papel. So, iniisip niya kaibigan? Kasi question mark eh. Just for us. You and I can see everything. You and I are imagining.
while we walk slowly under the street lights, we hold each other's hands so tight.
When we walk... Wait lang guys. Search ko nga lang yung lyrics. Very quick lang. So, I just wanna live in my... So, ito yung lyrics, guys. I just wanna live in my imagination where hatred does not exist. Here, the moonlight is brighter than ever and the stars shine just for us. And your eyes can see everything you and I are imagining. While we walk slowly under the streetlights, we hold each other's hand also tight, and I can feel it like it's real, so real. So, nanaginip siya. Meron siyang kasama.
I can feel it like it's real, so real.
Oh! Nandito ulit yung yung sapatos na may dahon. Wow, ang galing. So, dito pa lang.
I can feel it like it's real, so real.
Wow. Saan to film? Parang wala na naman sa Pilipinas. Yung dahon, may nag-comment, yeah, it looks like autumn. Ito naman, para siyang spring. Saan kaya to?
I just wanna
Parang sa Pinas, ay hindi. Ito na may snow na Posible naman sa Pinas to. Yeah, definitely sa ibang bansa.
be with you in all the seasons. Reimagine to actually exist.
I just want to be with you in all the seasons. We imagine to actually exist. Medyo medyo pang, siguro pang teenager na kanta. Yung lyrics yung lyrics. Yeah, parang first love, parang puppy love, parang gano'n. Inimagine niya pa lang na magkakaroon siya ng girlfriend or nagsisimula pa lang siyang ramdam ng feelings.
There's winter that's colder than ever, but it holds warm just for us in your head.
Yeah, yun nga, exactly. This is Puppy Love. Ilan taon ba si Justin? 2 years ago. Oh well.
Hands can feel everything. You and I are imagining while we walk slowly up.
Ayan, bumalik siya sa... Yeah, bumalik siya sa fall. Is this fall? Or may tumulong Ay, may nahulog na dried leaf. Yeah, this is fall. And grabe. Ang ganda ng kanyang ito. Ang ganda talaga ng visual si Justin. Yeah, correct me if I'm wrong, 18, alam ko siya ang in charge when it comes to the visuals ng almost all of their music videos. Yeah. Grabe ang galing, pang talaga. Parang siyang pang telenovela, parang pwedeng Korean novela.
The trees and whispering each other.
Korean novela talaga. Tingnan nyo guys.
Whispering each other's hands and rhythm and time. I can feel it.
Ayun o, ayun o. Itong nasa ano siya, gabi and under the street light, just sitting at the bench. Very, very Korean novela ah. Bagay, mukha rin naman siyang Korean.
Like it's real, so real.
It's surreal, but it feels so real. Ay! Ito na! Nasa sunflower. Nandun din yung sa ano eh. Sa dahon. Ang wala lang sa dahon yung winter vibes. So yung mga night animals. Ano yun? Back natin guys.
Kanina ang
May kasama siya oh.
ilang months nga po ito yung 6 months?
Ba't di pinakita? Guys, sino kaya yun? Meron ba nakakalam sa inyo? Look, Sea of Clouds. Sa ano to, Benguet to. Ako punta na ba kayo doon sa Sea of Clouds? Ako hindi pa. Sinong pwedeng kasama dyan? Si Justin na lang. Si Justin mahilig din mag-ano eh. Mahilig mag-travel eh.
As the sun finally
Wow.
the horizon feels so unreal.
Ano bang ano ng gamot mo sa TV?
Wow. Ang ganda. Ang kinis niya oh. Na all. Ayun na naman, sobrang bilis. May pinapakita, hindi pinapakita. Parang mga 1 second lang pinapakita kung sino yung kasama niya. Paano naman natin malalaman kung sino?
Nagkakaano ka lalo ka. Tama si Su.
Cause it's real, so real.
Wow.
Relax naman.
Sobrang artistic niya oh.
Bakit naman?
Even the colors. Kung ako kasi kung mag-style ako, one color lang siya.
Tahimik pa.
Ang dami oh, so pleasing to the eyes. Wow. Justin, yun yung ano niya, logo. Akala ko ba mais siya? O mais yung nakatanim doon sa... mais yung nakatanim sa sapatos? Ewan ko, 18 ang hula na ako. I have no idea. So let's break down the lyrics. Yeah, long story short, he's imagining being with someone or somebody that he really likes. That's my take on the surreal. And ang galing, grabe. Hindi na ako na-surprise kasi I've seen how good Justin is when it comes to his visuals. Vocals and dancing, performance. I've recently watched Watson's playlist and nandun sila. Sila yung headliner and grabe, sobrang galing. Hindi ko pinagsisihan na pumunta ako doon. And that's what pushed me to be maybe 18. Yeah, that's what pushed me to support and be an active fan ng SB19. So yun, that's my take. Yeah. Puppy love. Lahat naman tayo dadaan dyan. Pero 2 years na. Siguro naman hindi na puppy love yun, no? Sino kaya? Sino kaya? Kasi 1 second lang pinapakita sa buong video. Paano naman ano yun? So, kailangan ko talaga post and post. Pero hindi silhouette lang yung pinapakita eh. I have no idea, guys. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video review. Thank you for watching with me. And please wait for my next video review. Yung sinuggest niyo na Kaibigan naman. The next song of Justin. So, thank you guys. Thank you, Aidin.